On that note, I'm going to now invite Fatma. Fatma is doing something very futuristic from nematodes and pheromones. So, all right, Fatma, I won't take too much time, and you have to make up for the time Ashish has taken. So, Fatma is all yours.
Okay. Hi, I am Fatma Kaplan, CEO and co-founder of Pheronym. We use a new kind of pheromone to control agricultural pests so farmers can grow more food. Okay. Next slide. Recently, Europe removed a large class of chemical pesticides, creating a need for insecticides and nematicides. And in the US, farmers still do not have a good solution to control plant parasitic nematodes ever since methyl bromide was banned due to its toxicity to our environment and human health. We interviewed 164 customers and learned that thrips and plant parasitic nematodes are problems worldwide. We also found that consumers derive sustainability and want to reduce chemicals. This is affecting government regulations on pesticide residues. Now, the channel partners are actively looking for biologicals and particularly pheromones and nematode control products. In short, farmers need biological, eco-friendly, sustainable pest management solutions, and also markets are large globally. Pheromones are becoming mainstream and addressing farmers' needs. And they're already widely accepted to control insect pests. Why not use them to control nematodes? Insect pheromones in the market are volatile and used to control insect pests above ground. We take the same concept to below ground using nematode pheromones. Our solution nematode pheromones have two applications. We can make beneficial nematodes more effective to control insect pests, and we can also use pheromones to control plant parasitic nematodes by applying them as seed treatments. The major difference of our product is nematode pheromones are water soluble and we can store them as dry powder. And they also target pests underground in the soil where we don't usually see them. And we can also target plant parasitic nematodes as seed treatment. Our technology addresses farmers' needs for both plant parasitic nematodes and insect control. Also, Pheronym is the only company with a patented nematode pheromone. Our products can work with our competitors' products, and this can make our competitors a potential partner. Here are what the farmers told us they need during our interviews. Organic growers have limited tools in their toolbox to control pests. They cannot use systemic pesticides. When they use contact pesticides, insects hide under the leaves above ground, or they go deeper in the soil to avoid contact pesticides. To top it off, pesticides have limited penetrance in the soil, and beneficial organisms have a limited temperature range. To our surprise, actually, conventional growers were also interested in beneficial organism-friendly products. They were participating in IPM and did not want to use harsh chemicals. And our first product, Nemastim, directly addresses farmers' need for insect pest control. It is an additive to beneficial nematodes to control insects in the soil. Nemastim will be sold with the commercial beneficial nematodes, and farmers receive them right here in small packages and put them in small buckets to rehydrate them. Right at that time, we add Nemastim, and it activates the nematodes. The activated nematodes are put in large tanks and use the existing spraying equipment to put it in the field. And Nimastim increases beneficial nematodes effectiveness up to 78% for pecan weevil. Here's just beneficial nematodes. 70% of the insects are still alive, and once these nematodes are treated with beneficial the pheromones, the beneficial nematodes actually control, and the live insect number goes down to 30%. And this has been demonstrated by 2 independent laboratories. So we improve efficacy with 2 modes of action. One is by improving nematode dispersal. Without pheromones, nematodes stay put. Once we add the pheromones, as you see on the screen, they're all dispersing. Now, no pheromones, added pheromones, they all started dispersing. They're searching for the insects. We also improved their efficacy by making them more infectious. And here we have a pheromone-treated nematodes. They are infecting the insects 3 times more. And here we have the control. And with these 2 modes of action, pheromone-treated beneficial nematodes also travel down to 35 centimeter down and go after deep dug insect pests. And in this study, our collaborators showed 35 centimeters down, 3 times more nematodes, and infected these insects. So this is directly addressing organic farmers' need and provides an alternative to systemic pesticides. We also demonstrated that we can expand beneficial nematodes' effective temperature range down to 15 Celsius. Normally they're active at 25 Celsius. We cannot control the temperature in the field, but we can make biological works at a high and lower temperatures better. So this also directly addresses farmers' needs. Our products have lower cost to develop and lower regulatory barriers than conventional pesticides, and Nimastim also have the benefit of improving soil health. We have founders who are leaders in pheromone and nematode regulated behavior. We also have experienced team of advisors on both science and business to successfully bring Nimastim to the market. And we have customers all over the world eager to test our product. We secured 1 paid customer trial for Nimastim, and we have 10 committed trials. We also leverage grant funding to address our customers' needs. And currently we are focusing on manufacturing and scaling. And this slide shows our progress. We have completed successful greenhouse trials and field trials are ongoing. So our technology addresses farmers' needs today, tomorrow, and in the future. Thank you, and any questions, you can email it to me. Hopefully I wasn't too far over the time limit.
I have a question to you quickly. Like Ashish's product is available in the market. When is your product going to be available in the market?
As soon as possible. We are raising funds for the scale up, and we recently got funding from NSF to use an insect-free medium. We used to use insects and nematodes together for our prototype, but it wasn't scalable, so we are using fermenters. And we are hoping that next year we're to bring it at least scaled enough that we can actually bring even small amount to the market.
Very good. Thank you so much, Fatma. Best of luck.
Thank you.